Hi, my name is Jenudink, and I am super excited to do Norwex Party with you tonight. Norwex's mission is to improve quality of life by dramatically reducing chemicals in the home. Tonight, I want to show you 5 foundational products that make that super easy to do in your home. If you're ready, let's get started. Norwex is currently only in 1% of homes in North America. There is an amazing opportunity to join a wonderful growing company, get a 35% commission and a 35% discount on any products that you would like to have in your home. If you are interested in this, please just send me a message and let me know. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Also, I am happy to answer questions about any of the products that we showed you tonight. Or if you are interested in having your own party, I would love to do a party with you and you can share these amazing products with your friends. I am no more than just a phone call or a message away. I would love to hear from you. So thank you for being a part of our party and enjoy the rest of our demos.